We're here in Finley, in the southern Riverina of New South Wales. Farmer Adrian Burke is planting rice with his Gason bar. He's fitted the bar with Ryan NT Retrofit double discs and Coil press wheels. Adrian has used the Retrofit discs for 3 seasons now and has been impressed with the results from the discs and press wheels.
Yeah, been going really well. Yeah, been going 4 days now. I think probably done 350 hectares, I suppose. And going really well.
Adrian, thanks for your time today. How are the Ryan discs going?
Yeah, we've had them 2 years now. Sowing a fair bit of vets and wheat and canola with them, and performed really well in all of them so far.
And the seat placement and the press wheels?
Yeah, the seed placement seems to be a lot better than with the time that was on this machine. And the press wheel, which we didn't have beforehand, it seems to be making a big difference as well.
Would you ever go back to tines?
Only if conditions needed tines, if it was too wet or something. But generally, if it's too wet for these discs, it's too wet for this bar. So probably not.
So you're happy?
Yeah, no, it's performing really well.
Adrian has achieved even better results by investing in the Ryan NT Coil press wheel system, which works in tandem with the discs. The coil wheels are self-cleaning and press air out from the soil around the seed to produce great seed-to-soil contact, allowing seeds to germinate so much easier than other systems. We're in the cab with Adrian. He's putting urea and rice in at the moment. Over to you, Adrian. What do you like about these discs? It's not making a mess like tines are. Is that what you like?
Yeah, yep. Just a nice neat little ridge for the drill sown rice to sit in, and hopefully when the water hits that, it'll fill that over a little bit. And then all going well, it'll all come up for us.
I noticed you're turning the corners with the discs in the ground. No worries?
I don't like doing it in tight ground, but yeah, work ground, yeah. And also try not to turn too sharp.
Out of the 3 seedings you have used the discs, have you replaced any bearings?
No bearings. Yeah, at 4,000 acres roughly.
Well, there you have it, the Ryan NT double discs and coil press wheels in action. Until next time, bye for now.